So just press it with using your thumb as your finger. It's gonna be like this, okay?
Everybody can see that what we did just,
It's gonna from the back, from the front. Okay.
right? So we make a circle and just pinch on the top and then just come this way.
Little bit, yes.
A little bit. Is everybody have it? Okay, so for the bottom to put it on the asan, you need to press a little on the bottom like this. Is everybody can see? And then you have to use a little water on the base and on the Ganesha's tummy on the bottom.
Yeah. And you're gonna place it on the little bit back side of the asan, okay, like this. Because we are gonna put the legs in front, so it should come. We need to have some room there.
And press a little bit on the top so that it can fix it. So if you can see this,
okay.
Whenever everybody done, we can move to the next part.
Get back to Zoom.
Yeah.
We are back.
Is everybody have or anybody have any question for this, or everybody is ready?
All right, so moving on to the next part, we're gonna work on the hands and the legs. So for that one, we're gonna make again balls of the size of little bit bigger than, or size of cherries, okay? We're gonna make 4 balls of the size of cherry.
Same size.
Yeah, 4 balls.
2 for hands and 2 for legs. So something like this size. You can see this. Something this big. If you have this big tummy of Ganesha, if you have this big tummy of Ganesha, you need this big
cherry
balls.
size, yeah. और अगर किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ और पूछ लीजिए.
I have a question, a funny question.
Yes.
तो गणेश जी का पेट कितना मोटा बनाना है?
वो तो आपकी श्रद्धा है.
जितने मोदक खिलाने उस हिसाब से.
Okay, thank you.
मेरे तो दुबले पतले बन रहे हैं.
कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग मोदक खिलाएंगे ना.
डाइट पे है, डाइट पे है.
आजकल डाइट का ही जमाना है.
So whenever everybody is ready, just tell, we can move to the next.
So Abhilash ji and Aradhana ji, Shalini ji and all. So this after completing our murti, everyone will share their picture, right, of murti?
Yes, yeah, that is the project.
बढ़िया. तो एक ही दिन एक ही घंटे में हमारे कितने सारे गणेश जी के दर्शन हो जाएंगे.
Right, that's true.
भेजिए. So we are going to see who made the best.
Best.
तो ये कितने बॉल्स बनाने हैं?
4।
2 हाथ के लिए और 2 पैर के लिए।
अच्छा,
ओके, बॉल्स सभी की शायद बन गई होंगी, तो इसको हम लोग रोल करेंगे। वी आर गोना रोल इट
लाइक दिस।
बहुत बड़ा नहीं करेंगे, बट लिटिल like the size of what, almost maybe 1.5 inches,
So that it can come to
सामने आ सके, हाथ घूम करके। सो ये चारों को हम लोग ऐसे रोल करेंगे।
एक ही साइज सब?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
if you think it's little big, like मेरा थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया तो मैं उसको छोटा कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि it has to come to the front, so you can really measure if it is a bigger, क्योंकि हाथ बहुत बड़ा बाहर नहीं जा सकता, it should be cover to and come to the front.
You're counting on you make do better.
Shalini, can you just place one of the hands to see कहाँ आएगा और कितना बड़ा चाहिए? एक ऐसे डमी प्लेस करके दिखाओगे? हाँ,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आप देखिए ये रहा ऐसे, तो जब ये हम करेंगे तो ऐसे लगा के इसको आगे लेकर आएंगे।
So it has to cover from the back.
क्योंकि थोड़ा पीछे इसको हमको
ये
प्रेस करना
पीछे
होगा।
यहाँ से press
okay. So I guess
होगा
मेरा
और
ये
ये
हुआ है
आगे
कि
आएगा
ये
ऐसे।
जो गणेश जी का टमी है ना, वो मैंने like वो dents sideways हो गए हैं, so I'll have to like kind of pick it up.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, अभी हम वेट कर रहे हैं, आप पिक कर लीजिए, आप बनाइए, हम वेट कर रहे हैं।
ज्यादा बनी बड़ी?
Yes. Wait one second. Yes, sit. Sit.
पीछे का आ रहा है बड़ा।
Is everybody is ready to place the hands and leg?
Yep, I did already.
हम पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे लेग्स से, तो कोई भी एक जो आपने रोल किया था उसको उठाएंगे हम, और उसको फिर ऐसे पिंच करेंगे ऊपर की साइड, तो ये ऐसे
एक मिनट हो।
तो अगेन यूजिंग द फिंगर एंड द थंब वी आर गोना पिंच इट।
बैक में थंब रखिए और आगे फिंगर को रख के बस दबा देना है ऐसे,
ये ऐसे शेप का बन जाएगा।
दिख रहा है? और पीछे से ऐसा रहेगा।
ओके, तो हम ऐसा 2 करेंगे, बिकॉज वी गोना on 2 of these rolled clay balls.
फिर से करो तो जरा, हाथ और पाँव
Okay.
दोनों इकट्ठा हो गया आपके बोलने में।
अभी हमने सिर्फ 2 पैर बनाए हैं, हाथ को भी टच नहीं किया हमने।
तो पैर का फिर से दिखाओ तो
तो
जरा।
पैर का बस ये आपका जो क्ले है उसको थंब और फिंगर को यूज करके आप ऐसे पिंच करो और थोड़ा सा उसको हल्का सा ऊपर को लिफ्ट कर लो ऐसे। तो आई एम गोना जस्ट फ्लैटन दिस साइड। जब ऐसे करोगे आप तो ये ऐसे ऐसे शेप दिखेगा।
फ्रंट में ऐसे दिखेगा और अंदर से ऐसे दिखेगा, क्योंकि आपने उसको आगे ऊपर को उठा दिया है।
अब आराधना जी,
हाँ,
जो आपकी प्रिपेयर्ड गणेश मूर्ति, आप उसको थोड़ा साइड करके शालिनी जी की प्लेट को थोड़ा आगे ला सकते हैं।
तो ये पीछे से यहाँ लगा हुआ है और आगे से ये आप पैर देखो तो ये है, ये ऊपर उठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे ऐसे बाहर को, ये है, और पीछे से यहाँ से लगाने हैं। सो इट गोइंग टू बी राउंड लाइक दिस। आप इसमें देखेंगे क्ले वाले में तो इट गोइंग टू शो लाइक दिस। सो इट इज दिस इज ऑन बैक,
ये ऐसे और ये पैर आगे। तो अभी हम लगाते हैं उसको। हमने ये बना लिया तो पैर बाहर को दोनों पैर ऐसे लगेंगे, राइट? तो आप ऐसे पैर की फेसिंग करना कि बाहर की ओर पॉइंटी पार्ट हो और इसको थोड़ा सा फ्लैट कर सकते हैं so that ये पीछे की ओर उसकी बॉडी में लग जाए. तो इसको we'll take that and just put it on one side. Make sure that the feet are pointing outside. और पीछे से उसको blend करना है. So as you can see here, ये ऐसे आप clay को, जिनके पास air dry clay है, you can use the water and you can just smooth it out. And you can just shape it closer like this. ऐसे हम दोनों पैर लगाएंगे.
एक मिनट, हम ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट कैसे किया इन्होंने बाहर. ये बाहर तो है. ऐसे कहाँ?
ऐसे
अब फिर से चिपकाओ तो जरा पता नहीं लग रहा है कैसे किया आपने.
जो पैर के पॉइंटी वाले पार्ट्स हैं उनको बाहर फेस करके, और आपको बस
ये देखिए उषा जी, यहाँ पे ये जो बना था, ठीक है,
हाँ.
इसको यहाँ पे पीछे यहाँ बैक पे लगाएंगे और उसको बस राउंड करते जाएंगे ऐसे. और क्ले है तो वो राउंड हो जाएगी और पैर बाहर को ऐसे निकला दिखेगा, पीछे से ऐसे दिखेगा.
वैसे
राइट, और आगे से ऐसे दिखेगा. और फिर आप थोड़ा सा पानी लेके पीछे से उसको चिपका सकते हैं.
बाहर उनका अंदर पाँव.
पीछे से आप ऐसे चिपका सकते हैं, आगे से वो ऐसे रहेगा.
So I hope everybody got the legs.
Yep.
Okay.
Done.
Next
Okay.
we are going to work on the hands. तो
प्रोसेस सेम है हैंड बनाने का भी, पीछे
हाँ.
से वैसे ही चिपकाना है यहाँ पे
ऊपर.
ऊपर यहाँ पे, और आगे को हाथ को लाना है. तो प्रोसेस इज सेम फॉर बोथ हैंड एंड लेग्स. इट्स जस्ट द हैंड्स जो है शालिनी, किस कौन सा कैसे होता है?
तो ऐसे हाथ रहते हैं ना, एक में मोदक
ऐसे नहीं, यानी इसके
आशीर्वाद देंगे.
तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, इसमें मोदक है और ये आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं.
Yeah, right.
सो यू हैव टू मेक इट इन दैट वे.
So you have to see that right hand ऊपर रहता है. तो फिर हम सेम प्रोसेस करेंगे, अपनी फिंगर और थंब से उसको पिंच करेंगे और उसको ऊपर को प्रेस करेंगे. जब ऊपर प्रेस करेंगे तो ये ऐसे बन जाएगा, जैसे हमने पैर बनाए थे वैसे ही ऑलमोस्ट बन जाएगा ये. तो ये वाला हैंड वी आर गोना यूज इट फॉर द राइट हैंड. सो वी आर गोना पुट ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ गणपति. Okay, so just be careful because we always give Ashirwad from the right side. And again, you can press this sideways so that you can put it on the back. So आप just देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, हाथ थोड़ा सा हल्का सा टर्न कर्व कर दो और उसको प्लेस करना है ऐसे, ताकि वो आशीर्वाद देते हुए ऐसे दिखेंगे हाथ.
पीछे से वापस उसको थोड़ा सा आपको प्रेस करके या पानी यूज करके
ब्लेंड करना
उसको
उसको,
ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा.
so that it stays there, does not fall off.
समथिंग लाइक दिस.
Yeah. ये रहा आगे से और ये रहा पीछे से ऐसे.
You can use water like I'm using little bit to just to mix it with the. Does everybody have at least one hand set?
Okay, so we'll move on to the other hand. The other hand is gonna be facing up. as if going to hold the modak. So we're gonna we're just gonna press it gently. Same thing, finger and thumb.
But
So it's
not
gonna
going to move up.
up or anything. So it's
It
gonna look
just
like this.
press like this, like making a chammach or something.
Yeah, spatula.
Yeah, spatula.
और इसको फिर ऐसे sideways कर्व करेंगे. देखो आप ये पूरा हाथ दिखता है. पीछे से थोड़ा सा
Something like this.
प्रेस करके
और पीछे यहाँ पे प्रेस करके अगर लगाएंगे तो वो लग जाएगा
आराम से.
और इतना ध्यान रखना है कि जहाँ पे पहला वाला लगाया है it should be on the same position, otherwise it's going to be up and down, so you have to be.
Excuse me, can you go slow?
Yeah, sure. We will wait. Yeah.
Let us know when you are ready.
दूसरा कैसे किया है रमेश?
So Usha ji,
हाँ जी,
you just have that hand, right?
हाँ,
Roll thing. So you press on the front, make it
Right.
like a spatula or chammach,
right,
like this,
right.
and just fold it like this.
और उसको पीछे से ऐसे
और
लगाते हैं.
उसको जैसे पहला वाला हाथ लगाया था, you just have to put it in that way and the same position.
ये वाला हाथ थोड़ा सा नीचे सामने से आएगा because वो थोड़ा नीचे है, ये ऊपर आशीर्वाद है, थोड़ा सा ऊपर है. So it's gonna be somewhat like this.
Something like this.
Yeah.
आपको दिख रहा है? जो आशीर्वाद वाला हाथ है वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर रहेगा because it's giving a आशीर्वाद, and the modak one will little bit behind that hand because it's keeping the modak on the hand, something like that. You can see, right? And the back is same.
It's gonna look like this in the back.
You can use a little water to fix it if they are not good. And the front is something like this.
Looking like a
Can I
frog
proceed?
right now, but ठीक है.
Is somebody asking some question?
No. मजाक कर रही थी मैं first.
It's tough or it's easy for everyone? It's going okay?
Yes. No, you're doing good.
Okay. Yeah, this is first time I'm teaching somebody
We
to
are
make.
teaching.
We are teaching somebody to make it, so we are not perfect, but we're trying.
All right, let us know when we are ready to proceed.
Yep, ready to go.
Okay, all right. Next, we are gonna make the sacred thread that Ganpati wears.
That Jenu in Hindi is called
Jenu.
Jenu, और क्या बोलते हैं? Huh? Yaggo Pravit. Yeah, Ram. Yajjo Pravit. Ram, remember I forget.
So we'll make a ball again. It's gonna be smaller, like the blueberry size. Okay, make the ball,
And make it very thin, very thin.
roll it into a long, thin string.
Yeah. Depend upon how big your Ganesha is.
Yeah.
So you need that length because it's going to be on the front like this.
So it's
you
gonna-
can see on this back. This is what we are making at
Yeah.
here.
Okay, here is there. And this one is almost not invisible.
So is it going to be all around or only on the front? Just
Only on
front.
the front. Only on the front.
So just make it that big that it can fit across the body in front.
And it has to be from which side to which side?
Left.
Left to right.
Can we see how you make the shape?
Yeah.
Just roll it into thin.
Oh,
It's
lamba
big
wala.
like a thread. Yeah.
So what will we do? This one will be
वो left to right, can you show the
Yeah.
Ganesha की कैसे वो left to right किधर से Okay.
तो जिधर हाथ था उनका लड्डू मोदक वाला उधर से
Okay.
You have to start from the modak side and then somewhere here.
या पैर
अच्छा।
के पीछे से ऐसे करके ये ऐसे.
Yeah, Shalini.
Okay. Okay.
You can use some water to fix on the top and bottom.
मुझे ना ये चिपक गया फिर उखाड़ते ना तो नहीं उखड़ता है नहीं. It's not same.
Is everybody can see?
Yep.
Good.
Yeah, that's very colorful.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to say it's visible.
Yeah.
Everybody can see
Right.
where it's.
Right.
Shalini, वो green वाला rotate करो. Let me see back. You know, yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So next, we'll proceed with the head. So we'll make the ball little smaller than the size what we made the belly.
Yeah.
Just make it little smaller, not too big.
Because that will also continue with the
No, it will only make the ears, and we'll
ear.
add
Okay, yeah.
the trunk later on.
Oh, trunk.
So again, the ball little bit less of the size as you
Of
took
the-
for the belly.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
So
roll
something-
it.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Are you using the whole clay completely now?
No, we are still saving some because we will need the clay for the mukut, the crown, the
Vastra?
tusk, vastra, the laddus, and the trunk.
Yeah, you need for trunk out.
Yes, I don't have enough.
Oh my gosh.
And of course, we forgot the most important thing, the chuha.
Chuha also, yes.
Yes, the mouse.
Okay.
So when you have this ball ready, I hope everybody has it ready.
Yep.
Okay. We're gonna give the shape of the ears. So hold it from the sides, little bit on top, and then squeeze it with your finger like this. Okay. Squeeze it on top.
Something like that.
Yeah. So it's gonna take the shape of,
Something like this.
Yes.
Like something like that.
so it's gonna look like this. Okay. Just try to keep this thing in the center because this is gonna be the mouth part.
And you can make it a ear bigger. So you just
Yes.
have to do something
Just
flattening.
flatten it. You can curve it at the ends. Make it smooth by using the water if you're using the clay.
Yeah, yeah.
So I have a question, Shalini ji.
Yes.
So if we are short of clay, just like Anju Ben is short of clay, so which part of the body they can take it out?
Oh.
Can
They
they-
can use the base,
Bottom one,
the
base.
bottom one. They can take it out because they can put in any place. They can use just paper plate, not the bottom, because bottom is not the part of the body. So they can take out the
Yeah.
bottom.
And later on, you can use use the regular atta, like we said, or
Yeah.
anything homemade and put it at the bottom to make it at the base. Okay.
Is everybody done with that?
Yeah.
Means your face means your Ganesha's face has to be on the. Think about how big your Ganesha's body. So it has to be fixed on that way. So it's not to be too big or it's not to be too small. It has
Somewhat
to be
like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like something like this way.
Now we're gonna need the toothpick.
And here is the toothpick. So you have.
So if you
need one-
don't have it, don't worry. But
Yeah,
we
you
are
can
u-
still work.
yeah, we are using this just to have more stability so that the head does not come off.
So it has to go middle of the
I'm gonna sew
of
it.
the body.
Yeah, I'm gonna show it sideways, and yeah. So here you can just put it in.
So I just stuck it to the base. That's all. I mean,
What, the head?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it
Yeah,
if
you
you
can
want.
do it,
We are
yeah.
just doing it because some people may have bigger head or something, so it might fall off.
Okay.
हाँ, हाँ. नहीं, नहीं. Okay, so do it like this. Like mine is a little bigger, so I'll just break it from here.
Something like that.
Yeah. And the head is gonna be, see, I'm gonna show you from the sideways. So now you can just put this in, slide it in. and then see from the back. So this little bit that we flattened earlier, that body, it should be behind the head so that you can smooth it and blend it. It's gonna
Yeah,
hold
going
the
to
head
yeah. So
little bit. Okay, it should look somewhat like this. Yeah. So like this from the back.
Can you see your hand, Mama?
You have another video.
Mama.
Bhavna ji, somebody just joined. I think you need to.
Yeah. I got it.
So you can see this,
From the front, from the back.
and
It's
this
gonna
is
be like
something
this.
like the back. You can mix it like a blend it little bit with the water.
And this toothpick plays an important role because now it's going to hold the head straight. Otherwise, sometimes
Because
it might
when
just
when you put that
trunk.
trunk, it may be a little bit heavy, so that's hold it for the trunk.
Should we proceed to the next part?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
So-
can you please wait for a moment?
Yeah, sure.
Still. Can you explain once more how did that toothpick function? Like I have it in the head, but how to connect it to the belly?
So you have it in the, I'll just take it off, okay?
Yeah.
You got something like this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so now you see, I'm gonna show you sideways and the front. So in the front, it should be in the center, okay?
Okay.
Sideways, just little bit, not on top. It has to go in front of it, okay? So what's
Okay.
gonna happen, that thing that we flatten in the belly part, that's gonna
Yeah.
go on the back of the head,
Like this.
okay?
Hmm.
Got it?
Yeah, kinda.
મારો એક હાથ પડી ગયો.
Hmm. Got it.
Got it?
Yep.
So
Thanks.
it looks something like this.
કે થયું જે થયું તે હવે જવા દ્યો.
And you can use a water
Ganesh.
to smooth it.
Remember I told you Jai Ganesh.
હજી સૂંઢ બનાવવાની.
हाँ अभी सूंड बनानी है, अभी नहीं बनी है.
All right, should we proceed now?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, I think everybody has it. So again, we're gonna make a ball of the, we'll take the clay of the size of a blueberry, okay? Roll it into cylindrical. This is gonna be the trunk. So just make it as big as your Ganpati is gonna be. Just make sure it just turns little bit. So it should be of this size. Look at me, I'm just showing it to you. I'm not gonna finish it up. Somewhat this size, okay?
And does it turn to the right or the left? Or does it matter?
It will turn towards the hand, which is gonna hold, that is towards the left side.
Okay.
It hold the modak that
Yeah.
side.
All right.
He's trying to eat modaks. So once you have that ready, we're gonna.
So is this like the whole trunk is same thickness all around, or it narrows towards the end?
It's up to you. If you want to do it, you can do it that way. We made it almost the same size.
It's
Okay.
yeah, you can narrow down if you want
Yeah.
to, but it has to be thick at least on the top, so because it's going to fix on the
Head
Head.
part, yeah.
Yeah.
Like this, somewhat like this, okay? So once you have that, I just turned it a little bit towards the left side. Again, use your finger and thumb to squeeze it a little bit on top, and then just
do
place.
this again.
Yes.
Just squeeze it on the top, and
And-
also on the left, move on the left side,
Curve it a little
curve
bit.
it on the left side, and then
And
place
then just
it
place it on the nose.
on the nose.
Yeah, see? You place it, blend it. Since I'm using the Play-Doh, I'm just gonna smooth it out. Otherwise, you can use water again just to blend it nicely. Okay, it's gonna look somewhat like this.
Use a little water for smoothing.
And water also helps it to connect well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like glue. Okay. I hope everybody got the trunk ready. All right, moving on to the next part. We want to do the vastra. No, let's do the tusks. So उनके दो दांत रहते हैं ना, एक टूटा हुआ है थोड़ा सा और एक और एक पूरा रहता है, as you can see in this one. तो हम
So we are going to make this
tusks.
tusk.
Yeah. तो फिर हम थोड़ा सा क्ले लेंगे.
छोटा, बहुत छोटा छोटा.
Yeah. और उसको बॉल में रोल करके फिर उसको पतला सा थोड़ा सा दांत का शेप का बना लेंगे.
उसको दांत के से.
Yeah. Somewhat like this. एक थोड़ा बड़ा रहेगा और एक थोड़ा छोटा, उसका हाफ साइज बनाएंगे.
Something like this. बड़ा?
Like this, Mama?
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, as you can see, I made these two tusks here. These size, somewhat like this.
भावना जी, हम लोग के पास कितना टाइम है अभी?
10 minute है.
अभी 10 मिनट.
Okay.
Okay, tell me about the tusks again because I disappeared for a bit. So those are the small tusks. Okay.
Yeah, these two.
Okay.
One is going to be a small one and the bigger one.
Okay.
All right, so now we're going to place the tusks. I'm going to use the pointy pencil. We also have the toothpick. It's up to you, whatever you want to use. We're going to poke holes on the side, like here, where the tusks are going to go.
Just beneath the tusk where you start the tusk. So somewhere
So when
like
you
this.
poke the hole, it's going to hold these tusks that you made very well.
You can
so I'm
see
just-
the hole.
Let's
It's
show it
little
to you.
hard.
Here.
Shalini.
So like this.
You can see the hole in this.
We're gonna make the
Can
hole.
you also show that finished one
Yeah.
for an idea? Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, which side? Which side is broken?
The left side.
Left side will be going to be broken one.
So the side where you had the hand with the modak,
The modak hand side is going to be a broken one.
then you can take those small tusks that you made, the small one on the left side, and the full size one is gonna go on the right side. So once you make those holes, it looks like it gets easier to put it in.
Also looks
Okay.
like a real elephant.
Yeah.
What side is the broken side?
The
Left.
one, the left side, the one in which the hand is down, is gonna
Flat.
hold the laddus. Yeah, the flat one.
Thank you.
So once we're done with the tusk, we're gonna work on the crown. You can make it any shape you want to. If you want, you can just take some clay, make a ball out of it, give it the shape of like a crown, a tear shape, and then you can place it on top like that. It's completely up to you. Or you can take the clay, make some small balls, roll it, make 3 small cylindrical shapes like this, and we're gonna layer it one on top of each other like this, so that it's gonna be 3 layer. You can see it in this nicely.
Can you repeat, please?
Yeah, sure. So we're gonna work on the crown, okay? There are 2 types of crown that you can work on. You can take some clay, roll it, make a ball, press it from top, make it like a tear shape, like this. Okay, that's one kind of crown, and then you can place it on top of the head.
Yeah, that's the
Okay,
easiest
that's
one.
the easiest one. If you want to go a little fancy, you can make 3 cylindrical,
Like this.
Yeah.
The way you made it genuine, that's how.
the sacred thread. So just make it like 3. So once you have these 3 cylindrical shapes ready, we're gonna layer it on top of each other. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So this was one type of the crown that you can make. The second one, we'll take this one cylindrical, we're gonna put it semi-circle like this. Okay. And then we're gonna put another one on top of it like this. And the third one on top of that. And we try to just go a little bit inwards so that it appears like a crown going up. We do this, and on top you can place a diamond. So we're gonna again take some clay, give it a shape of tear shape like this, and then you can put it on top like this. So we got this kind of crown. So it's up to you, whichever crown you want to make, like this or that. Okay. All right, we almost got everything. The next, I hope everybody has the crown ready. Next, we'll work on the laddus or modak, whatever you want to place on the hand. Modak is again gonna be the same shape as this, just smaller in size based on the hand, how big the hand is. So take some clay. If you want to place the modak smaller in this shape, and you can put it on here.
Yeah, something very small.
Yeah,
like,
I'm gonna make laddus. So again, take the clay, roll it into small balls. You can place 3, 4, 5, however you can fit. As many as you want, or you want to fit. So I'm gonna place it here, and you're gonna place it on the hand like a pyramid, laddu pyramid.
So you can have something like this.
Yes.
Small balls.
Yes. I'm gonna place it like that. I'm gonna make 4 that I can make the pyramid. Blend it. So like this. As you can see, I made 4 laddus and I put it on top of each other. It looks like a pyramid. Okay.
You see this laddu? Yeah. So
next part, we'll make the vastra. As you can see here, I'm going to show you this again. This red thing going around, the vastra. So as you can get the idea from here, it has to be thin. It shouldn't be, sorry about that noise. So you have to make it thin and just flatten it a little bit. So on the clay, it's gonna look somewhat like this. I'm gonna go across it.
So you just have to make one small size of
ball, flatten it,
and then flatten it the same way you did, and then do something like this.
Yeah, don't worry about making one big size to go all over it. You can make it in 2 small pieces.
Right.
The way I did here. So as you can see here. So I made 2 pieces. One piece went over the shoulder. I joined it here.
Yeah.
Like that.
I'm out of clay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I said I've run out of clay now.
Oh.
So it's fine. You can make a vastra with
real kapda.
With real kapda, so you don't need a vastra. It's just
Okay.
accessory here.
So I can do the vastra later.
Yeah, you can do it.
Do you have a small thing? Means small clay for chuha or no?
Now, well, I'll keep it for the chuha now.
Yeah. Just keep it a little for chuha.
So somewhat like this. You're just gonna put it over the hand from the shoulder or lay it over the hand. It doesn't have to be the perfect. When you put it all together, it will look really perfect. Just lay it over the hand like this. The other one over the other hand. Like this. So I did not connect from the, made a big one. I made 2 small pieces and I just put it on top.
Yeah,
like
it can be little bit hanging. So
Yeah,
it's like,
don't worry about
like a cloth.
Yeah. And again, use the water just to.
Yeah. If you use a water, it can smooth easily. Yeah. So you can smooth, just put a little water and. Okay, now the turn for chuha, right, Charlie? We are done with it? Or what else?
Yeah, let's decorate it. Let's make eyes and everything.
right,
So now we're gonna, whatever you have, if you have toothpick, use the toothpick. If not, then use the sharpened pencil.
Yeah.
We're just gonna make some impressions on this, and later on you can use the colors to dry it, color it once this clay dries out. So I'm gonna show you. You're gonna make we're gonna make eyes. So I'm gonna show you this one that is visible nicely here. So as you can see on the side,
So you can make a, because this is a
this is the forehead.
right, kind of elephant eye. So don't
Yes.
make it eye like our eye. It has to be eyebrows has to be up, like you
Like
can see
this
a
one,
little
yeah.
bit up.
Yeah.
So that's how you have to make it.
So just use the toothpick or pencil, just poke a hole little bit, impression. It will look like, see, this eye here on the sides. And see that, I just made it.
Yeah, it's hard to see here, but you can see in that color one. Or you can see here.
Yeah, the finished one.
You just have to make a hole on that side.
On the side of the face.
Side of the face. Or you can use actually when it dry out. You shall we show us this dry one?
Yeah, so once this is, I need the black color from there. Which can I get the black color?
I can show you from there.
So do you have to make eyebrows also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can use the same thing, toothpick or whatever, and then make eyebrows. Thank you.
Don't keep it.
Somewhat like this. Give it the shape.
It's hard to see in
It's
the.
visible. It's
can-
visible. Yeah, it's visible.
You can see that.
Yeah. Okay. And once you're done with that, you can add some lines on the trunk, as if the trunk is,
Like this way.
yeah. So draw 2, 3 lines. You can see here the impressions that I've made here. 1, 2, and 3. You can make the tilak. Again, tilak is up to you, however shape you want. We made the shape of U and then a line in the center. You can do that, or you can just make the tilak go straight up. So I'm gonna make it a U shape. You can make it a little bigger. We can go over the trunk. Somewhat like this. Okay.
And she can show in the dry one also.
Yeah. And hands, we got to draw some lines on the hands to
Right.
show the fingers. So again, the same thing on the outside, just draw
Just use the needle or pencil
Yeah.
to make those lines.
these impressions. You see it?
Same thing with the leg.
Yeah. And the legs again, the feet that are facing outside.
Yeah.
Again, draw 1, 2, 3 lines.
And if you want, you can decorate little bit asan on
Yeah.
the same way.
We need to add some impressions to the ear. As you can see, we drew these 3 marks in the ear. So you can do that as well.
Show me the ear marks. I don't see.
See in this one, these ear marks.
Mommy, Ganpati Papa's gussa.
You can see the ear marks.
Yeah. Okay.
Mommy, Ganpati Papa's gussa.
My Ganpati Papa's gussa.
Mommy's gonna make it happy. Okay. So I added these impressions here, as you can see in this one. These. Okay. And we'll make a little hole in the trunk at the end.
Here.
So at the end of the trunk, you can just make a hole in there. Like this. Here. Okay. So made the impressions on the feet, hands, and the hand that he's holding the laddus. You can also, if you want, you can do the same thing. Like this. Okay. You can decorate the asan by again making some impressions It's up to you how fancy you want to go.
Yeah.
So
And
we're
once
just
dried, you can use any colors
color.
like.
So we're just pressing it.
Yeah.
It's hard to see here. I'll show it to you closely. So where did I do? Here. So I'm just pressing it, pressing the pencil, marks like this.
Yeah. Use some thick thing. If you use this pencil, it will just give you a mark.
Yeah.
But if you use
Toothpick or anything, yeah, whatever, however you want to decorate it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go all around, just press it.
So the last part remain is
The mouse, the
the
chuha.
mouse. Yeah. So you need a very little tiny. Actually, this chuha look very good. I want to show you. Do you see this chuha?
Ah, this one is also pretty.
Yeah, that one is pretty good. So we need that chuha with
We
the
need to
Ganesha.
make the chuha with the for Ganesha. See
Okay.
it? So now again, take a small amount of clay.
Shalini aunty, I have to go, but this is my.
Chino?
Oh, that's Shinu.
Chino,
Yeah.
what happened, beta?
She has to go, but
I have to go, but this is my Ganpati.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
cool.
Let me see. Let me wait. Let's see. Where is 1 second? Let me just hold on. Let me spotlight it. Hold on.
Is there spotlight?
There we go.
Awesome.
Beautiful. Very nice.
Good job.
Excellent.
Good job, Chino.
Very good.
Thank you, Chino.
Good, Chino.
Thank you.
Whose name is Yati.
Yati Lokhande.
Yati, yeah, Yati, yes.
Yati.
Yati. Okay, so Shalini chuha.
Yeah. So again, you are good at it.
Yeah.
So take, it's gonna be too big. Small ball. We're gonna roll it, not too much cylindrical, but little bit cylindrical.
Who is that? I think
Chia.
Chia.
I'm waiting Rohan Rajpal for a moment. I think he's too eager. He has done.
Okay. Show Rohan.
Rohan, okay.
1 second. Where is Rohan?
I think this
There
is
he
Rohan.
is.
Yeah, show me Rohan. Hello, Vika.
Here.
Oh, that's
Wow.
cool.
Very nice. Excellent.
Cool.
So-
Awesome.
All the attendees, take the picture. So we are going to put together, okay?
Yeah.
Take the pictures. Take the photo. Very nice, very beautiful.
We have 4 kids doing it here with Rohan.
Yeah, take all 4
Oh.
pictures.
So where is the first girl? Hold on. Show it again.
Yati is gone.
Yeah. Let me take the picture. Show it again, beta. Show it again. Who is the girl with the pink? Pink wala. Dono dikha do. Both the girls. Yeah. Show that again.
Beautiful.
Wonderful. Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay. Anybody else want to show?
Yatika, we will ask Yati to give
What
us
about Rupali's daughter? Rupali?
Mahi.
Mahi.
Mahi. Okay.
Mahi, Chia, I think all are Chia,
Shreya.
Shreya.
Can't see your face, Shreya. Ah, wonderful. Okay, got it.
Weird.
Okay, perfect.
Oh,
Oh, Mahi, awesome.
Beautiful.
See,
बहुत
so
सुंदर.
pretty.
Pretty. माही की उसकी फोटो ले लीजिए.
एक minute. Just keep it held up so I can take the photograph.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
He's Mahi Raut.
And here's Chia. Okay. And what one head? Who's the one with the blue? Here we go. Yeah. Okay, got it.
Now, Mystica.
Where is Mystica? Which one is that? I got these two, the blue and the pink.
Yeah, this is Goyal. This is Misty.
Okay. Raise your hand.
This.
Hold on. Oh, that is very nice. Excellent. Okay, Orton.
This is mine. Traya.
Who is Chia? Okay, I got you, Bhavna Goyal's daughter, I got.
Okay.
Okay. And then Chia.
Shreya.
Traya.
Okay, got it. Excellent.
No, it's my decoration. Yeah. Makes sense.
Where is Shalini auntie?
For later, after we're done painting.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got all the kids.
Okay.
I got everybody.
No, after we're done painting it.
I'm saying Shalini auntie ko. हाँ? You mute करो अपना.
Bhavna ji, this is different Shreya. There are two Shreya now today.
Shreya Jain.
This is Shreya Jain. Yeah.
So,
Shreya, can you show yours,
Shreya,
please?
show you again. Bhavna ji, take a picture.
yeah, I've got to find her first. Where is she? Oh, okay, wait. Okay, one second. One second, don't put it down. Okay, got it. And Vihan, was that the big white one?
Wow, Vihan, that's
Yeah, tilt your plate forward a little bit. Yeah, wonderful. Excellent. Okay, got it.
Kush, come.
And then Toshani Dubey.
Kush, go.
Hold it. Hold it like this.
Hold it up. Yeah, very nice. Excellent, got it.
Bhavna ji, my son also made it.
Where are you?
Here, in my same screen.
Toshani, okay.
There, you can show it in that one.
Show it again. One second. Don't put it down yet. Got it.
Thank you. Good. Ipsa, where is yours?
You can show this.
You can show this one.
Go.
Okay.
Yeah, Ipsa ka hai, Bhavna ji. This is Ipsa.
Show me hers.
That way, there.
Got it.
Thank you.
Lelia.
Okay, get up.
Okay.
Now let's do chuha quickly and then we are done.
So we still have to make the chuha, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Bhavna ji, did you get different Ashley?
Of course.
Okay.
Okay, Bobby, you'll do it.
Okay, so we just have to make a little. Oh, ये कौन है? इसका रह गया. Bhavna ji.
जी.
Kaushali.
बच्चों का रह गया.
Oh,
कौन से दो बच्चे?
Oh, ये
Ribu and Kaushali.
I got them.
Okay.
But I'll take it again just to be on the safe side. Okay, nice smile also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Back to the chuha.
Yes.
Yeah. So just make a little cylindrical like this. Okay. And
then try to squeeze from one side to make it like
Aprameya also wants to show this.
little pointy.
Hello?
Yes. No, wait. And then from the other side, press again, roll it to make the tail somewhat like this. Oh, they want to show.
oh, ये Bhavna ji, somebody want to show. और क्या नाम है?
Namaste.
नमस्ते. बच्चे का नाम भूल गई मैं.
Ashwini.
अश्वनी. हाँ, भावना जी अश्वनी का आपने.
एक मिनट मुझे फिर से ढूंढ लेने दीजिए. कहाँ गए? He was right there.
The spotlight.
Got it. Found him.
Oh, look at the chuha eating.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Pretty.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
Happy.
Happy
Ganesh Chaturthi.
Very much.
Okay.
Okay.
दिखाओ शालिनी।
Can you please change the spotlight?
This is
Okay.
the
It's on you. It's on you. You are spotlighted.
We got it now. So we'll make somewhat like this, pointy from one side, and we'll roll it a little bit thinner on the other side to be the tail. Okay. And then use, if you can, just use your finger and thumb again to make the ears, tiny ears. If you can see like this. Okay.
Basically, you have to use your nail.
So make it like this. Try to give it the shape gently. Yeah. And if you're using the clay, you will need water because it will be dried up. Like this.
Okay.
Okay. And you can again use the pencil or the toothpick to make two eyes. It's gonna be here and here, like this. Okay. So we're very tiny.
And we do put it near on the base?
Yes, you can put it on the base, towards the side, left side. That's it.
Where the modak is.
Where the modak is.
Yeah.
That's it, done.
That's it?
Yes, we are all done. And once this is all dried out, what you can do, I was trying to use the markers. So as you can see, I made one eye. Which one I made? This one. I tried to use the marker, and you can color it however you want to. Okay. Or you can use any acrylic paint, like those people who made it white, they can use any color on it. It's like a blank canvas, and you can decorate it however you want to. So I was using.
Did I get mine correct?
Yeah.
Oh yes, beautiful.
You have to take
the
picture,
picture, please. Somebody should take it.
ये मैं ले रहा हूँ, भावना जी, ये पिक्चर आप दिखाते रहो ऐसे ही. Bhavna ji, can you make Abhilash Tiwari host, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Are you as Abhilash Tiwari or Adya?
Abhilash.
Okay. Make host. Correct. Well, co-host, yeah, you're already. No, okay, I made you co-host.
Yeah, that's enough.
अगर मैं host बना दूं तो फिर वो recording और सब बंद हो जाएगा.
Just co-host.
हाँ, co-host is there.
All right, so this completes our Ganpati. You can decorate however you want to. Like in this one, we added the muslin on the sides. So it's up to you. Your imagination, however you want to decorate it.
And thanks for joining everybody and all.
Thank you so much. It was a lot of fun. Great job. Thank you, Abhilash, for suggesting this. I think it was a great idea. It was a wonderful way to spend a Friday evening.
This idea, is developed by Shalini and Aradhana, and they learned it from, where all we go, from the Shakha. I think they had a workshop, so thanks to Shakha, Shivaji Shakha also. And thanks to Shalini, because she really, led it to that extent.
And they did a great job, I must say. For the first time, if they're saying that they did this for the first time, they're very good teachers. अगर मेरा इतना खतरनाक निकला तो आपके वजह से आपकी instructions.
आपने सुना नहीं आराधना जी के बारे में बोला क्या? She is a good. She can make anybody चूहा.
राम है सामने बैठे हुए.
नहीं, ये कमेंट कहीं मेरे लिए तो नहीं है.
नहीं ये अदरवाइज है.
बब्बर शेख को कोई चूहा बना पाता है?
आप बना लेते हो ना.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you for everyone to joining.
Very nice, Aradhana ji. Thank you, because
All of you unmute yourself and say if you want to say anything.
we never made it before.
I know.
Hello. Thank you.
कहाँ છો અંજુબેન તમે?
હું છું અહીંયા.
અરે એક મિનિટ તમારું તો બતાવો.
અરે વાહ.
એક મિનિટ મોઢું બતાવો તો મોઢાની સાથે.
बहुत सरस
हाँ बहुत सरस एक्सीलेंट चलो फोटो ले लो
Okay, do it.
हाँ लीधो 1 मिनट पाछो लाओ वंडरफुल ओके everybody show what you made now.
Yeah,
Let's start with Ilaben, તમે કર્યું છે? नहीं. Okay. Bhavna, did you make?
Yeah, इन्होंने बना लीजिए फोटो
भावना जी दिखाइए आपका भावना show me yours
ना भाई के मोटू को
भावना गोयल
Oh, अच्छा, okay.
आप सोच रहे मैं अपने आप को बोल रही हूँ
How do I get it bigger?
okay हाँ
job.
great okay who's next
Make it
Usha
bigger.
Kapoor
Okay, okay.
उषा जी
आनो सही गयो पाछी जो
बहुत अच्छा
फोटो लीजिए
हाथ नीचे हटा दीजिए पहले हाँ
आ रहा भी
हाँ अब आ रहा है हाँ आ गया अच्छा
ये
फिर
मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर ने बनाया वो चली गई है
आद्या ने बनाया
हाँ, ये मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर ने बनाया
समय ही नहीं मिला
अभिलाष आद्या ने बनाया
आद्या ने कुछ और बनाया है हम उसकी
अच्छा
तरफ जा रहे हैं इसको कंक्लूड कर दे
माही did I
ये मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर ने बनाया वो चली गई प्रिया ईशा
Mahi, did I already make a photograph of you? Of yours?
लगे ना भावना को
I did, right?
भावना जी
हाँ
ये मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर ने बनाया वो अभी चली गई है ईशा ये उसने बनाया
एक और लेती हूँ got it
okay
और Pramila, what about you? You're muted. Okay, you didn't do it.
I didn't make.
Okay. फिर अश्विनी का तो मैंने लिया या नहीं?
हाँ ये बेटी है हमारी
अच्छा
हमारी दी
Great.
थैंक यू
Okay. और दक्षा बेन, did you make? No. What about Toshani Dubey? Can't see the face, so come down a little. Yeah, there you go. Okay, got it.
and Toshani is like far away from us So, Toshani, where are you located?
ઉષાબેન કहाँ ગયા તમે?
New York.
તમે બનાવ્યું?
મારું બન્યું પણ મારું અડધું તૂટી ગયું છે
બતાવો.
જો આ ટુકડીને લઈ લો ઊભી છે તવિયાની સાથે
So I have a suggestion actually. So whoever was not able to make, they don't have material, you can contact Pramila ji, Bhavna ji, Usha ji or me, or Aradhana ji and Shalini ji. We will arrange material for you. You can still pick up and see the instructions, see the videos again. It is on Facebook Live, and you can make it and give us a call. Their numbers are on flyer. So if you need personal help, क्योंकि कल से स्थापना करनी है. So if you still want to do it, there is still time to do it.
So where is Usha Sharma? Usha ji, आपका वीडियो तो है लेकिन खाली है, कहाँ गए? Okay, maybe she's just coming for the second half. Anybody, did I leave anybody out?
મારું તો લો
અરે તમે કહો તૂટી ગયું તો પછી લાવો, દેખાતું નથી, ઊભું કરો, ઊંચું કરો, દેખાતું નથી, ઊંચું કરો, હજુ સાઈડ, તમારે સાઈડ પર આમ સાઈડ પર, હા હજુ ઊંચું, મોર, અરે શરમાઓ નહીં, ऊंचू करो,
गणपति नाना थी
और ऊंचा कर दो,
और ऊंचा करो ना, हाँ
अब थोड़ा सा टिल्ट कर दो आगे को
टिल्ट करो, हाँ ओके, आई गॉट इट
मारे तो टूटी फूटी गई छोड़ दू नीचे
आई लाइक
आपने लड्डू ऑन कर लिए आज.
हाँ अच्छा, डिड आई मिस एनीबडी?
नीता बहनो ले लो, नीता
डिड आई मिस एनीबडी?
हमने ले लो, नीता जाकरिया.
ये जो अभी दिखा रहे हैं इनको नहीं लिया आपने, क्या नाम
है? हाथ कहाँ है नीता जाकरिया?
आ रहा है स्क्रीन ऊपर से.
Who's this one?
I don't see her.
મને દેખાય છે.
Oh, there's a second screen. 1 second. Neeta Zakaria.
Bhavna ji, look at spotlight video.
Where is that?
તમે પાછા આવો. અરે ફોન લાવો ને જરા, મેં અનુરાધા કો પૂછું.
Bhavna ji, it's on the top right of the screen.
હાથ ખરાબ છે તો તમે
Next to gallery view, you will.
Anna Ramesh Zakaria.
I swear I don't see them.
No problem. I'll take the that.
It's Shift Command 3.
આવી ગયા
That's,
આવી ગયે. उसको
now I see them. Okay, I got it. Okay. Wonderful. Got it.
અનુરાધા को बोलो कहाँ है?
Thank you everyone for.
दिखाई दिया. Okay, thank you everybody. Did I miss anyone?
ના.
Okay.
Okay. So our next program, actually we are late, almost 25 minutes late, but thanks to Shalini and Aradhna, आप लोगों ने इतना टाइम दिया और पेशेंस के साथ रुके रहे और सब लोगों को अच्छा लगा ये प्रोग्राम. मुझे तो ऐसा ही फीडबैक मिल रहा है. तो ज्यादा देर नहीं करते हैं. हमारे पास गणपति जी के लिए बहुत स्पेशल कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन है. आद्या, कैन यू रन दैट प्लीज? तो 2 छोटे से हमारे पास 2-3 वीडियोस हैं जो कम्युनिटी ने हमको भेजे हैं, जिसके लिए मैं थैंकफुल हूँ आद्या को, नीलेश जी, मयूरेश जी और केयूर जी, जिन्होंने बहुत जिन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करके जो है इसको यहाँ तक पहुंचाया है. और सबसे ज्यादा थैंकफुल है कम्युनिटी के, जिन्होंने रातों रात ये सारे वीडियोस बना के हमको दिए. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे नहीं हैं. कुछ लोग हैं जो शाखा चले गए हैं बिकॉज शाखा स्टार्ट होती है 7:15 पे एंड वी वर अ बिट लेट, बट थैंक्स टू देम आल्सो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वन वीडियो ऑफ इन द टेम्पल. भावना जी बताइएगा इफ यू कैन सी एंड हियर प्रॉपर्ली.
Yes, I can see.
जय गणेश देवा. जय गणेश देवा. माता जागी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. माता जागी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. जय गणेश देवा. जय गणेश देवा. माता जागी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. माता जागी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी. माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूसे की सवारी. माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूसे की सवारी. एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी. एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी. माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूसे की सवारी. माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूसे की सवारी. पान चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा. पान चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा. नड़ुअन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा. नड़ुअन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा. जय गणेश देवा. सकल कीज सेवा सूर्य शाम शरण आए सकल कीज सेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा 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 माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा एकदंत दयावंत चारि भुजधारी एकदंत मस्तक सिंदूर सोहे मुषक की सवारी मस्तक सिंदूर सोहे मुषक की सवारी हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा मोदक को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा मोदक को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा अंधन को आँख देते कुड़ियन को पाया अंधन को आँख देते कुड़ियन को पाया आंचल को पुत्र देते निर्धन को माया आंचल को पुत्र देते निर्धन को माया दीनन की लाज रखो शंभु पुत्रवारी दीनन की लाज रखो शंभु पुत्रवारी मनोरथ पूरा करो भय बलिहारी पूरा करो भय बलिहारी जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश
So, अभी हम यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं हुए, अभी इससे भी ग्रैंड प्रेजेंटेशन बाकी है जो हमारे नीलेश जी ने जिसको सूत्रधार है उसके. So we are going to run it and you will see such a beautiful कितनी मेहनत की है लोगों ने. आद्या, please proceed. Thank you.
जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता
the music so many times throughout the period
जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा पान चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा लड्डुअन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा पान चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा लड्डुअन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा कुंदन को आँख देत कोड़न को काया पांजन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया अंधन को आँख देत कोड़न को काया पांजन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को दो दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को जय 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 गणराज विद्या सुखदाता धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव अष्टौ सिद्धि दासी संत को भैरी विघ्न विनाशन मंगल मूरत अधिकारी कोटि सूरज प्रकाश ऐसी छवि तेरी गंध स्थल मद मस्तक झूले शशि बहारी जय 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 धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव भाव भगत से कोई शरणागत आवे संपद संपत सब ही भरपूर पावे ऐसे तुम महाराज मोको अति भावे गोसावी नंदन निज दिन गुण गावे जय 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 गणराज विद्या सुखदाता धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव
I think there is some interruption.
Abhilash ji, you can play that original file.
Can you repeat, Nilesh ji, what did you say?
Abhilash ji, if you run that original file from the USB, maybe it will be all right.
That does not have flash actually, so it's not.
नीलेश जी आप अपने कंप्यूटर से प्ले कर दो, अभिलाष जी आप उनको होस्ट बना दो।
एक मिनट मैं मेरे इससे करता हूँ, बट एक मिनट या वो किधर गया मेरा कंप्यूटर तो उधर है। एक मिनट
Nilesh ji, मैंने आपको co-host बना दिया है, so if you want to run it from your computer, you can.
Yes, 1 minute.
Yeah.
In the meantime, Bhavna ji, can you announce the upcoming programs if we have any?
Sure, we have Sunday को हमारा वो Indus Malik School, Guru Pranab Kumar Biswas, he's coming back again with a wonderful bhajan program. उनके students जो यहाँ पे हैं, Rajni Chaudhary और and others, they will be performing. It was a very nice program last time, and by popular demand, they have agreed to come back again this Sunday at 12:30 in the afternoon, our time. और उनके जो गुरु हैं वो वहाँ इंडिया से join करेंगे. So that is on Sunday, and then Tuesday, of course, will be Hanuman Chalisa. Next Thursday है ना Abhilash ji, when Jatin Kapadia is coming back.
Friday, I believe.
Friday ko Jatin Kapadia will be coming. Dr. Jatin Kapadia will be talking on Gita, on the Vedas, and then उसके बाद मैं भूल गई.
And then so,
30th को कुछ कर रहे हैं ना हम.
Yeah, we are doing cultural event, and all the sevak and sevikas are working towards that. Nilesh ji, if you are ready, we can put you on.
Yes.
Okay. So there was a request that on coming Tuesday, if we can do some Ganesh bhajans. So whoever in the group who sing bhajans regularly, let's prepare for Ganesh bhajan ji if possible. Thank you.
Also, I believe the construction is starting up again. All the materials have been delivered, and we're looking at Monday possibly for the construction to restart. Because of the COVID-19, they were having difficulty getting enough people to deliver the materials that had been ordered. But the materials have arrived now, so construction will be starting up again, and I think things will move forward very quickly. So we're very excited about that.
Abhilash ji, give me 1 minute, 2 minutes, okay? I'm just copying over to the USB and connecting it to Rupali's laptop.
Sure. Just give me one moment, and then what is that? Sorry, see, technology most of the time wins over us.
Everyone should make it a point to really stay in touch with the Hindu Temple of Tri-State website, because we do have an events calendar there, and all the events that are coming up are pretty much posted regularly on that events calendar. So you can get all the information on the website as well as our Facebook page.
Bhavna ji.
Hanji.
Ye Kadya host, and we have got it. You got it?
Yeah. Yeah, she is a host.
No problem. So she is presenting now. Okay. See us again one more time. More. Yeah. Thoda sa. Yes, leave it here. So everybody can hear?
Yeah.
Yes.
येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली ये. पिवळा पितांबर कैसा गगनी गडकला. पिवळा पितांबर कैसा गगनी गडकला. गरुडावर बैसोनी गरुडावर बैसोनी माझा कैवारी आला. माझा कैवारी आला. येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली. येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली. विठोबाचे राज आम्हा नित्य दिवाळी. विठोबाचे राज आम्हा नित्य दिवाळी. विष्णुदास नामा विष्णुदास नामा जीवे भावे ओवाळी. जीवे भावे ओवाळी. येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली ये. येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली ये. असो नसो भाव आम्हा तुझी आठाया. असो नसो भाव आम्हा तुझी आठाया. कृपा दृष्टी पाहे. कृपा दृष्टी पाहे माझा पंढरी राया. ओ माझा पंढरी राया. येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली. येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली. नवतोसी विसराळा ब्रह्मांडे माळा. विषय कंठ काळा सीने त्रिज्वाळा. लावण्य सुंदर मस्तकी बाळा. तो दुनिया जळवी वाटे जिजया. देव जय श्री शंकरा. आरती ओवाळू आरती ओवाळू तुझ कर्पूर गौरा. जय देव जय देव. कर्पूर गौरा भोळा नैनी विशाळा. अर्धांगी पार्वती सुमनांच्या माळा. उदतीचे उदहरण शिवकंठ नीळा. ऐसा शंकर शोभे उमा बेहळा. जय देव जय देव जय श्री शंकरा. आरती ओवाळू तुझ कर्पूर गौरा. जय देव जय देव. देवी दर्की सागर मंथन परकेले. श्यामाजी अवचिता हळहळे उठले. एकवा असुरपणे प्राशन केले. नीलकंठ नाम प्रसिद्ध झाले. जय देव जय श्री शंकरा. स्वामी शंकरा. आरती ओवाळू तुझ कर्पूर गौरा. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय श्री शंकरा. स्वामी शंकरा. आरती ओवाळू भावाती ओवाळू तुझ कर्पूर गौरा. जय देव जय देव. जय ब्राह्मण फणीवर सुंदर मदना. चानन मनमोहन मुनिजन. शतकोटीचे बीज वाचे उच्चारी. कीर्तक नाम दासांतरी. जय देव जय श्री शंकरा. स्वामी शंकरा. आरती ओवाळू आरती ओवाळू तुझ कर्पूर गौरा. जय देव जय देव. दुर्गे दुर्घट भारी तुझविण संसारी. अनाथनाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी. वारी वारी जन्म मरणाचे वारी. हारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी. जय देवी जय महिषासुरमर्दिनी. सुरवर ईश्वर वर दे तारक संजीवनी. जय देवी जय देवी. दुर्गे दुर्गट भारी तुझ विण संसारी अनाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी वारी वारी जन्म मरणाते वारी हारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी जय देवी जय महिषासुरमर्दिनी हो दैत्यासुरमर्दिनी सुरवरेश्वर वरदे तारक संजीवनी जय देवी जय देवी येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली निरावरी करा निरावरी कर ठेवली वाट मी पाहे ठेवली वाट मी पाहे येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली मातला रावण सर्व उपद्रव केला 33 कोटी देव बंदी हरले सीतेला पितृवचना लागी रामे वनवास केला मिळवणी वानर सेना मिळवणी वानर सेना राजा राम प्रगटला हो राजा राम प्रगटला येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली पिवळा पीतांबर कैसा गगनी जडकला पिवळा पीतांबर कैसा गगनी जडकला गरुडावर बैसोनी गरुडावर बैसोनी माझा कैवारी आला माझा कैवारी आला येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली विठोबाचे राज नित्य दिवाळी विठोबाचे राज नित्य दिवाळी विष्णुदास नामा विष्णुदास नामा जीवे भावे ओवाळी जीवे भावे ओवाळी येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली असो नसो भाव तुझी आठाया असो नसो भाव तुझी आठाया कृपा दृष्टी पाहे कृपा दृष्टी पाहे माझा पंढरी राया ओ माझा पंढरी राया येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली येयो विठ्ठले माझे माऊली
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your patience and watching so long. So it's 8 o'clock. I think it's a time for us to conclude today's evening. Arunji, please Ganpati ka kuch shlok boliye so that we can end this night today.
सबसे पहले तो सबको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू, स्पेशली बच्चों को. आई लव जब बच्चे आके परफॉर्म करते हैं तो आई लव चिल्ड्रन डूइंग ऑल दिस स्टफ. So thank you kids, we love you and keep up the good work. और बड़े होके मंदिर में सेवा जरूर करनी है सबने। तो और सब मुझे पता है सब लोगों ने बहुत हार्ड वर्क करके ये प्रोग्राम तैयार किया है, तो हिंदू मंदिर की तरफ से सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और गणपति बापा का मंत्र करके और शांति हम समाप्ति करेंगे। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ओम द्यौ शांति अंतरिक्षगं शांति पृथ्वी शांतिरापा शांतिरोषधय शांति वनस्पतय शांति विश्वे देवा शांति ब्रह्मा शांति सर्वगम शांति शांतिरेवा शांति सामा शांतिरेधि। ओम शांति शांति शांति। तो आप सब तन मन धन से सुखी रहे, यही भगवान के माँ के चरणों में मेरी प्रार्थना है।
Thank you, Bhavna ji. Thank you, Arun ji. Thank you, Shalini, especially, and thank you, Nilesh ji.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Abhilash ji, for coordinating on all these. I know in the night also you work very hard. Really appreciate. And
3 days in advance, I would have made it the whole evening.
And thank you, Hindu Tri-State Temple also. There is a shaka also going on, and probably that's why
I know. Friday shaka day.
Namaste, everyone.
Namaste. Yeah.
Push,